Hey guys, Lewis here again, back with another video, and in this video I am doing a review of the Freedom Breakthrough by Jonathan Montana. If I pronounced that right. If you're watching this video, bro, I'm sorry if I pronounced it wrong, but I want to share my honest review with this program, with this training, okay? So if you haven't subbed yet to my YouTube, sub below, click the like button, click that sub button. I'm Lewis, I'm affiliate marketer online, and in my YouTube channel I show you how to get leads to your business. I show you how to grow affiliate marketing business. I give you training and all sorts to see success online. So make sure you sub. Some great content coming out, and today I wanted to share my thoughts on this program. Okay, so Jonathan Montana is a Montana. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. My pronunciations are terrible. So I wanted to show you this program, okay? And if you don't know him, you can go search him on Facebook, and I'm friends with him here. I've had conversations. This dude is the real deal. He's a real guy, and he's caused some crazy success in line in the industry. Montoya. It's Montoya. I've been saying it wrong the whole time. So sorry. It's Montoya. I've been pronouncing it wrong. So you can go see. This guy's a real deal. He puts out some great content, and he's a beast, as you can see. Fellow gym goer like me. But he's a real deal, guys. He's causing some great success online with him and his students. So which I love to see. So affiliate marketing is easy when you know how to do it. If you have a simple step-by-step plan, and he's got this great program, he's got this great training, and when I saw this become available, I jumped straight in it. So the 3-day business breakthrough challenge, again, it's teaching you the right way to start affiliate marketing and to be a long-term success online. Okay, this guy has built a business from the ground up. If you don't know his story, he's left his job, and from there he just built a 6-figure income with affiliate marketing. And he will tell you the story in the videos. You'll learn a lot about him, and it's a great story. So it's a 3-day challenge. It shows you how you can break through and start a business right now, affiliate marketing business right now, and how you can be set up in 3 days. It's powerful because in 3 days you can have affiliate marketing business running right away. Okay, and it's $7. I'm going to be straight up, $7. And carry on watching this video because I'm going to give you some crazy bonuses. Just for add in there as well. So yeah, he shows you the best way, exactly how to do affiliate marketing, the best model, how to show you build affiliate marketing business in 30 minutes when you find a product, and all about traffic. The 3 main components. The 3 main components I teach my clients, the 3 main components all successful affiliate marketers have, is they have a great product, they know how to drive traffic, and they know how to build a list. And he teaches it the right way. So you get these gurus online that says you just click one button and that's it. It's all BS. And you'll get bonuses from him. 6-figure affiliate funnel, viral video scripts that made him go viral with YouTube. He's a beast on YouTube as well. Top secret keywords that he uses. So he gives away some great bonuses, guys. So let's go into the back office, because I want to show you Freedom Breakthrough, the Affiliate Blueprint Academy, guys. So here's the Breakthrough Challenge, which I suggest you click the link right now below in this video in the description box and start going through. It'll take you 3 days to go through it. It's simplified. Day 1, how you can manipulate my 3-step system, how he's done it. He shows you exactly how he's built a 6-figure marketing business online. No hype, no fluff, no BS, real stuff. As you can see, it's 37 minutes long. It's, like I said, there's no fluff in it. It gets straight to the point. It shows you exactly what he's doing, how he's doing it. You go to day 2 after you finish that. Another 38-minute video. Guys, these videos are filled. let's build your business today in 30 minutes. He shows you the exact steps he's done. He shows you. You want to learn from the best. You want to learn from people that are making money online. You want to learn from people who have quit their job and doing this full time. You want to learn that. He's got for $7, the price of a Starbucks coffee, you can go and know how to build affiliate marketing. And then day 3 is how to get traffic, customers to your product, to your system. Again, an hour, no fluff, straight into it. Shows you the easy steps. And you follow this. You follow this and you implement what he says, okay? He has stuff below, workbooks, homework, and do it. Do the homework. He's giving you all this value for $7. Go and do it, because honestly, this will change your life. And I like this guy. There's a lot of people in the affiliate marketing space who fluff it up, hype it up, easy push button, easy money. If you want that, don't go into affiliate marketing. It doesn't exist. Easy money doesn't exist unless you win a lottery. Coming online is a real business, has a real business model, and you've got to learn the real skills. And Jonathan teaches this, okay, in this 3-day challenge. So click link below, invest in it, and I'm going to give you some crazy bonuses along with it as well. Before I go show you my bonuses, I want to show you something that you really need to do as well, in my opinion, and that is unlock the Freedom Breakthrough Program, okay? This is going to just fast track you to success, okay? And it's going to save you a lot of time, and it's going to save you a lot of money. And time is valuable, and obviously you want to save money as well. So I just want to go through it quickly. I don't want to go too much. Course intro, you need to watch that first. Picking the perfect affiliate. He goes through it, creating an affiliate website, asset. It goes over everything you need to know down the line. Okay, SEO, affiliate, perfect affiliate funnel. Shows you about email marketing mastery, free traffic with Facebook, high ticket sales with Facebook, organic, the killer free traffic with YouTube, free traffic with TikTok, paid traffic with Google Ads, paid traffic with TikTok, paid ads with launch. It goes on and on. Okay, all this good stuff here, and you need this in your arsenal. You need this in your pocket, because yes, you're starting here and you're building that affiliate business, but as you get more knowledge, getting more success, you need the stuff below as well. You need to know how to build an email list. You need to know the follow-ups. If you want to start getting free traffic from YouTube, the training's here. Everything. What I love is everything is under one roof. Okay, you've got everything you need to know. If you want to start getting into paid ads, you got it here. If you want to start mastering Facebook traffic, you got it here. Okay, so number one thing you need to do is click the link below and start your 3-day challenge. If you're serious and want to fast track, you need to unlock here the Freedom Breakthrough Program, and you got to get a ton of training, support. You got to be in a community, and you're going to have fun. That's the main thing here. You got to have fun. But overall, highly recommended this Freedom Breakthrough Affiliate Blueprint Academy. Thumbs up for me. Does what it says on the tin, from a great guy who's doing what he teaches. This is exactly what he does. He's walking the walk. This is going to be huge, this product. It's already gaining momentum. People already getting sales from it. People already seeing success. People having their breakthroughs, and this is the main thing. This is for someone who is a beginner. Yeah, first of all, if you've just starting to want to learn about affiliate marketing, this is where you need to start. End of, okay? Also for people who have been in affiliate marketing and not getting to the next level, might haven't made a few sales but want to get to that next level. Also for you guys, it's for the beginner all the way up to the veteran, because you've got stuff in here that you will need, that you can learn. All paid ads, all free traffic. It's all under one roof. So make sure you take action by clicking this link in the description box. And when you do, you're going to be invited, okay, to my group. Let me just so this is the inner circle for you guys. You're going to get extra support from me. So Freedom Lifestyle Entrepreneurs, you're going to get extra support from me, guys, okay? This is a massive bonus. This is a massive bonus. And you're going to be with a group of people who want to learn, who want to earn, and you're going to get live trainings where I go live. You're going to get support. You can ask questions. You're going to have people around you can reach out to, and you can have direct access with me. This is where you can have direct access to me. This is where I spend a lot of my time helping people, okay? And this is what you go get for just investing $7, okay? I normally have this for really people who invest higher, but I want to open this up for the masses to help even more people win online, because I see so many people getting lost, and it frustrates me because I want to see people win. You can go here to the unit section. You've got all this training in here, guys. You've got how to do email marketing, how to set up your autoresponder, free Facebook traffic, a 5-day email sequence. I'm adding a new 20-day email sequence for you in here. I'm adding each week, guys. I'm adding each training each week. Facebook part 2, an action plan, 6-figure setup. I'm going to give you extra affiliate course for you to give away to get people to get momentum with yourself as well. It's explained all in here. Multiple income streams, the setup with Facebook. I'm giving you a YouTube training on top of it for free. 6 videos here. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos in a bonus video, 6 videos, how to crush it with YouTube, get traffic to make money, bonus video, don't even need to be on camera to make money with YouTube. Guys, I'm giving you this all for free because you're investing $7 and partnering up with Jonathan and myself. So what you need to do right now is click the link below in the description box, take you here. $7 to do the 3 days is going to change your mindset, the way you're thinking about affiliate marketing, and then come on the inside, go through the 3-step training, implement what Jonathan's teaching, download the workbooks, do the training, and unlock the Freedom Breakthrough Program. And that's where we go see massive results. Okay, so thank you for watching this. Any questions, leave them below. Any comments, leave them below. Like, comment, sub to my channel. A lot more trainings coming out on my channel here as well. So thank you for watching. Take care and see you in the inside here.